In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can host a static website on Azure Blob Storage. So here, if you go to storage accounts, you'll be provided with the options of creating various kind of storage. By various kind, I mean either storage v2 or normal storage. So if the kind is storage v2, then you can obviously go ahead and use that kind of container to host static websites. By static websites, I mean websites that are primarily developed using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. There's no server-side technology involved like PHP, .NET, C#, Python in that sense. So that is what static website means over here. Now, in order to host a website, static one, once you have created the storage account of type storage v2, you can do that by obviously going here, clicking on the create button, and then you'll need to fill in the form that comes up. You need to select the subscription, the storage account name, and the location and everything else. And once you are done, just click review and create, and you're good to go. So here you can see I've already created one called Did You Apply Website. Now, once you have created this, all you need to do is, in order to make sure that you are able to host a website for this container, just scroll down a bit, and here you will be finding static website option. Click on that, and you need to enable this. So by default, you will be getting it as disabled. As soon as you will enable it, you will get these primary endpoints, and then also you'll have to specify the document names. So here the landing page is index.html and the error page as well is index.html. So once you have all these values, obviously you can go ahead and copy this URL, and here you will notice that the site is hosted on that very URL. Now you will also notice that an Azure storage container has been created to host your static website. When you see there's a link down below that which says $web. If you click on this one, it will open up the container and it will basically show all the files that we have uploaded over here. Now uploading contents is very easy. You can obviously go ahead and use this option as well to upload things. Like over here, select a file and you can choose a file and upload it. It also has this advanced option, but this is not that user friendly. There's a tool provided by Azure which we can make use of to upload a directory itself in the Azure container. That obviously we will be looking into the next lecture, but that's how we basically host a static website on Azure Blob Storage. The next one we'll be taking a look at how we can make use of the Azure Uploader to transfer files to this directory.